Yes. So we just checked into our room. It's on the 3rd floor, and then this is our mobile key. You have to download their app to unlock your door. So you just have to press this and then go here. Welcome to our room. Welcome, welcome. So upon entering the room, they have this cute little cupboard here. Okay, I believe this is like the placemats. Oh, and then the knives, we put it in this thing, which is quite safe. It's from IKEA. And then, wow! Okay, they have some like cutting board here, chopping board here, and some cups. Ouch! And then the cutleries, they have it here as well. Not too many, I think it's just 2 sets of cutlery. Oh, there's a wine opener. They have here the multi-purpose cooker, the one that I like. Oh, not bad, can steam eh. It's the same one as the pot. Eee, so cute! And then they have a mega fridge. I love this because the one at SEAH, right, is a mini fridge that doesn't have the freezer thing on top. And then you can also make ice. Wow, awesome. Later we can go to NTUC nearby and then we can stock up all the shit. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, so they have this thing here. So it's the water jug thing. For you to boil water and put it inside because they don't give you complimentary water. You know, it's like service apartment style. And then they have microwave. There's a safe here, iron, hair dryer, and drawer. Woohoo! For you to put your stuff, which is very good. And then a laundry bag. You can put your dirty clothes, and not bad, there are ample hangers here. And then an ironing board. And then there's a little workspace here, which is good because they need to, like, you know, you can, if you work here, you can do your makeup here. Oh, there's no full-length mirror here, one thing about this place. And the TV is here at a very awkward spot because our bed is here and then we are actually facing the cupboard. So actually we brought an extension wire in case, you know, if you want to cook outside and then there's no plugs outside. And then let's go over to the bathroom. Ha 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 ha. There's like hand soap, dish soap for you to wash your utensils. Laundry powder and extra tissue box is here. Extra tissue paper is here. Toilet paper. Ha 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 ha. And they give shampoo and body wash, but there isn't conditioner, so you have to bring it. And they have the normal shower head. No rain shower here. Oh! The sliding door is quiet, unlike the one at SEAH Street. And then the kitchen area is very small and cute, so I guess we can do our cooking with the mini multi-purpose cooker here. And then we have this washing machine. And then there's a toaster, which I don't think we need it. You wanna eat bread now? And then the kettle. And then I love this. This is what I love about Heritage Collection because they give you the kitchen towel, which I use it to wipe my whole body because the previous time I was at SEAH Street, my cute friend accidentally used my towels. Their operating hours is like 9 to I think 7 PM. So if you want to make any requests, you have to do it before 7. So this one saved my life. I literally used the whole kitchen towel to wipe my whole body. Okay, and then let's explore the balcony area. Let's go. Oh wait, so the plugs are here. The lights are, I'm not sure what these switches are for, but you can, I don't know, plug your stuff here. And one thing is the water heater, right? You have to on it 20 minutes before you shower. Do you know that? Woohoo! Let's go! Oh, okay! Whoa! Whoa! Mind your step! So my friends will be coming here later to chill. Not bad. This is like the balcony area. Then I can do my TikTok over here. And there's like MBS view. Then right down there is like the shop houses really, and all the food, the restaurants. And I think nearby is the Boat Quay area, right? Right? Yeah. So I guess this place is really nice for chilling. But a bit warm. I think just nice. We have 5 of us. I like the place. We booked it for only 111 per night. Perfect. We got it during the 11/11 sale. So overall, this place looks cozy for a 2-night stay, and we got it at a very cheap price because we're the first 11 bookers to book this one during the 11/11 sale. So we got this for 111 per night. Originally it's 280 per night, so it's a steal. Yeah, we're gonna unpack now, and then we're gonna head to the NTUC nearby, and we're gonna stock up on a lot of shit. Oh my god, I just realized that they have an extension wire, and they have extra roll of kitchen towel as well, which is very good. Okay, it's like I think 6 in the evening, and we're still in the hotel. So after staying here for one night, we still have another night, and we actually thought that okay, this place is really comfy. Oh, where are you at? Generally it was okay, the bed was okay, like the one at SEAH Street. Also, there's no place for you to hang the towels, like you know the towel rack. So you do have to hang it at the door, or maybe on the hanger, and then you hang it in the wardrobe, the open concept wardrobe. And they don't provide induction cooker, unlike the one at SEAH Street. Another thing that could have been better is in this balcony space, if there's like fan, like mini fan installed here or there, then it would be great. Because my friends were over yesterday and it was very hot. Even though we tried to open the door, but the aircon couldn't come out as much, and there wasn't any like cool sea breeze or river breeze that we expected. There's 2 heritage collections. One here is the Boat Quay one, another one is like the south. There's another one just two blocks away. Yeah, but it's still along this river. If you're gonna come here and stay, maybe you can bring a little portable fan. That'll be good. Oh my god, let me show you. Woo! Can you see? This is the vibe you will get at like 5-6 in the evening. So that's like quite cool. And like the people are eating downstairs. This is quite cool. Oh, looks tasty. Oh, then the river cruise over there. Wow. Oh, and you can get to see like MBS over there. Fullerton. And MBS. Oh, that's very nice. Alright, so hopefully I'll get to see you next time at my next vacation. Bye! Okay, so tonight, as usual, we'll be cooking macaroni pasta. Is there such thing as macaroni pasta? It's just macaroni. Can you hear it?